Ready to skyrocket your Shopify store's credibility and sales without spending a dime? First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Apps, then navigate to the Shopify App Store in the search bar. Type Trustpilot. Look for the official Trustpilot app. It should have a recognizable logo and a high rating. Make sure it offers a free plan available. Click on the app listing. Now, click the Install button. You'll be prompted to grant the app certain permissions to access your store data. Review these permissions carefully, and if you're comfortable, click Install App. You'll be redirected to the Trustpilot app within your Shopify admin. If you already have a Trustpilot business account, connect it. If not, you'll need to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your store to Trustpilot. Once linked, explore the app settings. Here, you can configure which Trustpilot reviews to display. Choose how you want them presented, often through widgets, and enable product star ratings on your product pages. Navigate back to your Shopify storefront and reload your product page. So you should now see your Trustpilot reviews and star ratings in all their glory, building immediate trust with your potential customers and boosting sales.